All right, well, very good. I'm going to do the car review now. Had a chance to drive the 2025. This is my first 25 model car, the Mazda CX-70. This is a standard SUV. It's bigger than you think. Available trim levels, the 3.3 turbo, 3.3 turbo S, the plug-in hybrid PHEV, and then it goes down into other things called the preferred package, the premium package, the premium plus package. Lots of options. They package all of these things together, and you get a little bit better deal as opposed to picking each one of the features that you want on your car. Again, standard SUV, seats 5, so it's only a 2-row. And I'll tell you what, I appreciate 3-row SUVs, there's no doubt about that, but I have to tell you that the 2-row SUV works for me. Now, if you've got a growing family, then you may want to look at a 3rd row, and if that's the case, then you want the CX-90 from Mazda. And that's really the big difference between the 70 and the 90. I had found that out. It's all new for 2025. This is a brand new vehicle. Conservative, modern styling with familiar Mazda logoed grille, huge slab side doors, redefined rear lighting with fastback style hatch glass, great wheel offerings depending on the model. Here's the question. Is Mazda positioning itself toward a luxury line of vehicles?
Ooh.
That's the question that I have after being in this. Jeff, you saw it. You went, wow, this is really nice. It's beautiful. And that goes to the interior. Interior highlights, high-quality seat design and materials with, get this, an Alcantara dash accent that really gives it a real sense of luxury. In-floor storage under the rear seat, which is good. Colors with materials options are awesome in this. The dash instrument cluster is good. Cargo trunk room, awesome with that less 3rd row seat back there, so you can actually put stuff in the back. What I liked about it, the overall layout gets an A from Mr. A. What could use improvement? Now, this does not go under the complaints division that we talked about, okay? The infotainment operation has always been cumbersome in the Mazda line. Now it seems outdated and it needs a brand overhaul. That is my complaint, if you will, about the Mazda line. 3.3-liter inline 6-cylinder with, get this, 340 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. It acts like a V8. Transmission, 8-speed automatic, tow rating 5,000 pounds. As far as gas mileage is concerned, 23 city, 28 highway for a combined of 25. I got 26.1 over 290.9 miles. Again, plenty of power, V8-like smoothness to it as well. Ride and handling, smooth, car-like. What could use improvement? It's heavy. 4,863 pounds, 2.5 tons basically. Base trim price, I didn't say it was cheap. Base trim price $55,950. Prices tested $57,920. But guess what? That fits right in with all of its competitors, as you'll find out here. Base model price, you can get in one of these for $40,445. Competitors, Honda Passport, $41,900. Jeep Grand Cherokee, $36,495. These are entry-level prices now. VW Atlas Cross Sport, $36,985. So they're right in that $40,000 entry level. But boy, I'll tell you what, this is one nice vehicle. And I'm telling you, I have a feeling, based on what I saw with this vehicle, that they are headed toward coming up with a premium line. They're going to call it something. I don't know what it is, but this thing it's as close to premium as you can get. And this is a Mazda, my friend.
Yeah, so a couple of the others have done that, kind of stepped out with a premium line because they don't want to lose.
Toyota's got Lexus.
Yep.
Name them. I mean, they've all got a premium brand, and this one, you'll probably get it soon. And when you do, I think that you're going to agree with me. You're going to go, wow, man, this is a Mazda?
I'd be really glad to see that because my wife's car, we had to go out of our way to find a midsize SUV that only was 2 rows, that didn't have that third row.
Right.
So
right.
I like that idea because it just seems to have much more room for what we do.
I was just going to say, because not everybody needs a third row.
Right.
Or if they have a third row, they don't use it very often, if at all.
Yeah, that's us,
Yeah. Okay.